Today we're going to unbox this new 4K body cam I got and see what it looks like and what it comes with. I had been searching high and low for something budget friendly and I think this one checked off all the boxes. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. First up, we have the actual camera. It's pretty slim and it fits into the palm of my hands, but let's go ahead and measure it to see how small it really is. So it looks like it's about 4 inches tall and not even an inch and a half across. And I gotta say, this is a lot lighter than I expected it to be, so hopefully when it clips onto myself, it won't drag down. So the body cam comes with a few accessories, including this USB charging cable, and I think the cable length is pretty decent as well. It also comes with a lanyard, which also is pretty long from the looks of it. And then we have an adapter as well as an SD card. I think this is what sold me on the body cam because this can hold up to 128 gigs. And then we have this tripod thing here and a clip which I believe should be able to swivel 360 degrees. And this final piece here can be secured to a bike so you can mount the camera onto it while you're riding. Last but not least, we have a user manual. It looks pretty detailed and has colorful photos explaining all the key parts of the body cam, some additional information about the body cam, the lens, instructions on how to start filming with it, some information about how to transfer your video footage to your computer, and how to keep it charged. So in a follow-up video, I'll take you through the setup steps and then we're going to test out some of the key features so you can see for yourself how it really works.